Before we had old 300 or 500 watt halogen bulbs that always burned out, were really hot, got filled with bugs. The new LED ones are just dramatically different as far as brightness goes. We have 3 that are on photo sensor that come on in the evening and just light it up really, really nice. Makes it a good security feature for us, as well as just making it a lot more convenient to do station maintenance. And then we've got the additional ones that we can turn on that make it much brighter out here than we've ever had before to take care of lighting for situations where we have to come back in the evening and load hose on trucks or do other maintenance. So, and just virtually maintenance free for us. Make it so much easier than having to deal with the old style of lights that we had before.